Hi friends, Candace Gillespie here with Candace's Canvases. It's my turn for the hop. This hop was put together by Justine Hovey in order to help out the many crafters that are affected by the new YouTube rules. So some of the biggest names in the industry, along with some smaller companies, have come together to help those in need and to bring you, the audience, some amazing new tutorials and favorite techniques from artists you may have never seen before. So after you're finished watching my video, click the description bar below and you'll see the next person on the hop. Click that video. Remember, the more videos you watch and comment on, the better your chances are of winning 1 over 1 in 120 different prizes. So for my project shared today, I am cutting down some regular A2 size card bases, and I have cut some pattern paper and some card panels to measure 4 by 5 1/4. I've just glued those together, and then I glued those panels on the outside and the inside of a regular A2 size card. Now it's time to do some die cutting. I got this awesome set of tag dies from scrapbook.com. I will share the link below, but I'm taking this size tag die and cutting out a piece from the front, and I'm bringing it back a second time and just cutting off an extra 1/16 of an inch or so, just to make sure I have room, because I'm going to place my little envelope tag piece on the inside. You'll see in a second. So the way I'm going to make this is I folded this piece of scrap paper in half, and I'm going to cut along the seam, leaving the folded part open so it looks like this. Now, in order to make it a pocket, I'm just going to cut some scraps at about 1 inch, and then I'm going to score this at 1/2 inch, so right down the center, and then I'm going to cut it. I measured the bottom and the right side of my little pocket here. See, I measured it 2 inches up, and that's how I knew how long to cut one of those, that scored in half piece. I used some fancy scissors to cut a scalloped edge diagonally across, and then I took the same pattern paper and I folded it in half, and I'm going to run that through my die cut machine and cut 2 more pieces. Next, I'm going to take that pattern paper. I was just thinking, sorry, you can hear my baby cry in the background. As usual, Jacob has joined me. He can hardly get away, and that's fine with me. I'm just cutting an 1/8 of an inch off of every angle, every side of this, because it's going to be a layered piece on the inside and outside of this little pocket here. And what I'm using this for is I'm sending my brother and my sister-in-law gift cards. And then this one is for my 4-year-old niece, Nora. And I'm going to put 4 $1 bills in this little pocket. So here's my layering piece. And it was harder. It was much easier. You'll see in the finished pictures at the end, it was much easier to measure the straight edge than the scalloped edge. But it still was fine, and it didn't look bad in any way. So here's where I am going to glue my 1-inch pieces that have been folded in half in order to make the bottom and the side there. So depending on what size your die cut is will depend on what size these measurements need to be. Now, when it comes to gluing in that pattern paper on the inside, I decided that it's best if you glue on your little pocket attached pieces first, and then you glue your pattern paper in over those. So when you insert your gift card or your note or whatever might go in here, it doesn't hang up on those pieces that are from these folded edges. So next, you just put some glue on there and then stick that bad boy down. And here you have a pocket. This is the front pattern paper, and remember, we cut that an 1/8 of an inch shorter on every side, so it leaves you with the white outline. And this will fit right in here. So I'm going to put some glue. In case you're wondering what's in my fine liner bottle, this is a pH neutral PVA glue. So I closed my card, and then I slipped that on there. So here are some finished pictures. This one is for Nora. I slipped in 4 $1 bills, and then my brother, I slipped in a gift card along with my sister-in-law's cards in the background. Thank you so much for watching and participating in this hop. And remember to check the description bar below for the next video in the hop. We'll see you guys again soon. Bye!